Hey, Steve with Trimble. In this week's Connected Construction tip, we're going to show you how to use your free trial, a Trimble Reality Cloud platform service, or really Connect Reality Cloud, so that I can view my scan data with my model data on Connect and share that with anyone else. So here you can actually see just a sliced set of data that we have from an X7 or X9 in FieldLink. So it's already been actually geo-referenced. And so when I overlay that model, you can see those line up well. And I can start to see if I'm going to have any issues anywhere by overlaying the rest of that model with the ceiling there and start to hopefully catch where and communicate where things could be going incorrectly. In this case, I can actually see I have an exhaust pipe that this vent pipe, this HVAC is actually here right now, but was designed to come in over here. Um, so how do I actually get this data here? Well, first I export an E57. I can bring in just that section point, or I can actually do an inspection. The nice thing with the inspection is it's going to be a little bit smaller and lighter clouds. You can see that can be as high of a resolution as just the ceiling one. So if I turn off that one, here you can see that inspection is a little bit more sparse. Once I export that from FieldLink, I can use Sync or I can manually drop it into Connect. When I'm in Connect here, let me open that up in a new folder. I would have that in a folder placed, and I won't really be able to do with anything until I come back down to the extensions and turn on that Reality Cloud. Once I have that turned on, I can then jump back over to where that file is and tile it. So this one's already been tiled, so it's viewed. So for that free trial, I can do 10 gigabytes. Here you can see about 300 megs for that section cut. And for the inspection, I get it a lot smaller for a similar area, but obviously the resolution won't be as good. Once that's tiled, I'm going to enter a 3D view. Now, originally, I won't have the reality capture tab down here. I'm going to need to turn on that extension as well here. And then once that's turned on, I will have it, and then I can see that scan data right there. So once I'm in that scan data, I can then turn on that model data and start to take measurements in between the two. So in this case, between this designed, or this would actually be close to the same design as the scan data, I can start to see that. So these are your 3 steps. Again, export the data from FieldLink after you have it geo-referenced and registered and refined, or you can export an inspection cloud to make it a little bit smaller. Upload that to Connect either through Connect Sync or through a browser, which is limited to about 5 gigs through a browser upload, 100 gigs from the sync, and then turn on the extension, tile it, and then turn on the extension in the viewer, and you can actually start to view that and see that. So for those 10 gigs, you can load in, start to see what your data looks like and share that, and try that on other projects as well too. Then after that, you can buy additional space if you start to run out of it, but you can start to communicate exactly what's happening in the field compared to the model. Thanks.